We are thrilled to officially announce that our compensation plan enhancements will go live on June 1st, 2025. These updates are designed to make the plan more rewarding, more accessible, and more aligned with how you, our leaders and builders, grow your business. Whether you're just starting out or leading a large team, these enhancements bring even more opportunity and clarity to your path. We are confident that these improvements will help you gather even more people to our doTERRA family. Stay tuned for detailed training, updated resources, and all the tools you'll need to make the most of what's coming. Let the countdown begin. We can't wait to see how this empowers you and your teams.
Welcome to the weekly business update. Thank you for tuning in on this beautiful Memorial Day. If you've been paying attention, you know that we've been talking about compensation plan updates for quite a while now. And today we're excited to show you just some of the tools you have available to make these enhancements successful. We already know that we have the best products on the market. We're changing lives every day on both sides of the bottle. Did you know that we match that product power with a business opportunity that is just as strong and impactful? Included in this is the Path to 500. The purpose of Path to 500 is to help people take the guesswork out of both sales and wellness and build a business that fits their lifestyle and goals. And today we're going to show you just a few ways on exactly how to plug in, take action, and help others to do the same with the Path to 500. Let's bring in Pamela Cardwell, who is amazing at her job, to give us just the tip of the iceberg on marketing assets being prepared for you.
Thanks, Chelsea. I'm Pamela Cardwell, Director of Leader Marketing. And as you're looking to grow your business, this is a great place for them to start. They don't need a background in business or any sales experience. They can just share what they love and follow this simple system. So, to help you utilize Path to 500 in your business, we're creating marketing assets that you can share with new enrollments who want to build a business or an existing wellness advocate in your downline who wants to start earning $500 a month. First, we'll have 2 flyers ready for you next month that will make it easy to understand and talk about Path to 500. The Discover Your Path to 500 flyer helps you explain what Path to 500 is. The Plan Your Path to 500 flyer provides a simple way for those wanting to start on the Path to 500 to set goals and to plan with whom they want to share the Foundational Wellness Bundle. Of course, these will be on the DMK in the Comp Plan folder. Next, we already have a video ready for you that's perfect for sharing and teaching. You can share this video with anyone you think might be interested in earning $500 a month to give them an idea of how easy it can be. This video can be found on the DMK and the Path to 500 landing page. This page helps answer basic questions with an FAQ and goes over the big selling points of the why of Path to 500. So let's recap. That's 2 flyers, a video, and a landing page that you'll have at your disposal to talk about Path to 500. All these assets and more can be found on the DMK in the compensation plan folder. Good luck.
Thank you, Pamela. I hope you take full advantage of the resources Pamela has shared. And I want you to know, I am more passionate about the doTERRA business opportunity now more than ever. This is your moment. You don't have to wait for the perfect time to start building. With these updates, you now have a clear, simple, achievable pathway to building your business. And as you know, Path to 500 is only part of the enhanced comp plan. So get excited for increases in the pools, more flexibility for qualifying for rank and Power of 3, and the additional boost bonus, which some of you have already been participating in with the Boost Your Bonus promotion. So don't hold back. Let's take action. Let's make connections. Let's grow. The best time to build doTERRA is right now.
Life moves fast, and if you're anything like me, you are juggling a million things. Family, work, trying to be healthy, and figuring out how to make ends meet. I wanted something more energy, more wellness for my family, and yes, a little more money each month. Hey, you hungry? You want a snack? Come on. When I found doTERRA's foundational wellness bundle, I realized it wasn't about selling or pushing products. It was about sharing something that had truly made a difference in my life. I started by introducing the bundle to 4 close friends. They experienced the benefits, and soon 3 of them were sharing it with their own circles. Of course, I kept sharing, and this simple ripple effect turned everyday wellness into an extra $500 a month. The foundational wellness bundle makes this business easy. It's a simple routine backed by science with products that actually work. It takes just 2 minutes a day, and because people love the way they feel, they keep ordering every month. That means repeat customers and predictable income for me. Would you mind sharing some of your cheese with me? Sharing doTERRA doesn't need to take all your time. I get this into my life in little moments that already exist. Whether it's texting a friend, sharing my morning wellness routine on social media, or inviting someone to try a sample, I get to work when and how I want. Starting something new can feel overwhelming. I get it. But with doTERRA, you're never alone. From the very beginning, I had a community of women just like me, cheering me on and showing me exactly what to do next. Step-by-step guidance, encouragement, and real people who want to see you succeed. It makes all the difference. Come on, sweetie, let's go get in the car. What would an extra $500 a month mean for you? More breathing room in your budget? More memories with your family? More flexibility to say yes to the things that matter? Come on, sweetie. Hi. Okay, I'll be right in. The best part? I'm not just earning. I'm making a real impact, helping my friends, my family, and my community feel better every day. Your wellness journey can be your business. The path to earning $500 a month starts right here, right now. It all begins with one simple step: getting your own foundational wellness bundle and sharing it with people you care about.